Recommendation: customers should observe and replace HEPA filter at maximum dust volume 0.3 grams. The frequency of the replacement depends on the environment. Step 1. Peel off the velcro tape on the side of the blower pouch. Remove the leather pouch containing the blower case from the blower case. Step 2. Use your hand to press the latch on the side of the blower case to open the inner cover. Step 3. Open the blower outer cover by turning it counterclockwise. Step 4. Use your index finger to put the mesh cage on the inner cover and push it into the frame of the HEPA filter. With the other hand, pull the dirty HEPA filter out of the blower box. Step 5. Immediately throw the old HEPA filter in the trash. Then wash hands with soap or sanitizer. Step 6. Open the HEPA filter bag and take out the new filter. Place new HEPA filter into the center of the inner cover. Step 7. Close the inner cover until a click sound is heard. Then turn the outer cover clockwise to close. Make sure that the inner cover, outer cover and the HEPA filter are securely closed and that the blower case is sealed together. Put the blower case into the pouch to continue storage or usage.